Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Mr. Cash. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell notification so that you may get the notification whenever I upload the videos. In this video, I am going to explain you that how you can earn up to $50 per day on Shutterstock with just uploading simple photos and also the simple videos whichever you are seeing in and around of your places. And I will show you the step by step process how you can easily earn up to $50 per day by uploading just one or two videos or photos per day. And I will show you the example channels, example website that how they are earning through the shutterstock.com. First of all, you need to know what are the procedures and what are the technical requirement of images that you are going to upload in shutterstock.com. First of all, the photos must be your own. There should be no copyright. Photos submitted should not contain any copyright materials, logos or artwork. There should be no watermark in the photos. JPEG format is allowed. Color profiles should be sRGB. The images that you are going to upload should be 4 MB to 50 MB. These are the basic requirements that everyone should know while uploading your photos in shutterstock.com. I will say once again, photos must be your own. There should be no copyright, and you should not steal photos from one website to one website, and you should not upload it to Shutterstock in your page. And another thing, there should be no logos or artwork in your photos. It may be easily identified by shutterstock.com, and watermark should not be allowed, and the format should be JPEG format only. JNG or and some other format is not allowed in shutterstock.com. Color profile must be sRGB. sRGB is a common internet profile that everyone has in their own phones, and the photo size must be around 4 MB to 50 MB. It is the common MB size that everyone has. After that, you need to go to the Google and search for shutterstock.com. After searching for shutterstock.com, you may find the first website, that shutterstock.com. You need to open this website, and if you open this website, there is a numerous images, videos, and you can see that images, footages, music, templates, editorial, 3D model, tools and blocks. Whichever is interested, you can open in shutterstock.com, and you can easily sell your photos, images, templates or videos, whichever interested. You can easily sell your things in this shutterstock.com. Here you can see that home page, images, photos, vectors, videos, music. If you are interested in music, you can also send the music products also. And if you need to download photos, videos for your YouTube also, you just create a premium account and you need to sign up for some dollars, and after that you can easily use these products without any copyright problem. Here for contribution below, you can see that sell your content. You need to click this. After clicking this, you will open with some of this website. After clicking this, you will see like this. First of all, you need to write your first name and last name and website. After that, you need to enter your password, and you need to click I am not robot. I already created all this, so I just received a verification email. After clicking all these things, you will get the verification email. Please click here to verify your email. You will get an email like this. You need to click this, verify your email. After submitting your email, you will redirect to your email. Verification link has been expired. Sorry, I have already clicked the link, and after click the link, you may see the website like this: earning summaries, portfolios, inside like this. You will find submit your content, pending content, review content, catalog, magazine, keyword suggestion. I have not yet submitted any photo, so it shows 0, and I have not sent any images, so it's pending. The images have not yet reviewed. I will just upload a single image for you. I will just upload. You can drag for images. For images, you may see that JPEG file is allowed up to 4 minimum, at least 4 MB, whichever I already told you. For uploading the MP4 videos, MOV or MP4 videos, the video length should be 5 to 60 seconds only. It is like short videos that everyone knows, so TikTok or Instagram reels, the video is must be in 5 to 60 seconds. Likewise small videos should be uploaded in this shutterstock.com, or for vectors upload file contain illustration at 8 or to 8 to 10. These are the basic requirement that you need to know while uploading your images or 3D models or else videos in shutterstock.com. After that you need to select multiple files. If you wish you can select one or more files, or else you can select one single file. You need to upload. Okay, it just goes on loading. After loading it may be went for a review. After removing it may be upload in 1 or 2 days depending upon the website viewer. This is the basic thing, that how you can easily create your account and easily upload your video. These are the basic thing. Processing complete, refresh now. There was a problem with some of your content, click here to for details. If you go there, it shows that you have just uploaded a wrong image and it contains an error. So likewise you can this was the copyright image, so it has easily identified by the shutterstock.com. If you are new to shutterstock.com, you need to upload your own content and you should not steal content from any other website or any other person. It may be easily identified by the Shutterstock owners or people who are working there. So my better suggestion is to create your own content, easily upload here, and there is a keyword tool. You can easily suggest the keywords whichever you need to apply to your images or videos. You can see the earning summary, and you can easily also refer and payment history, tag center, and you can see that portfolio, submit content, pending content, reviewed content, catalog manager, manager release, keyword suggestion, and inside you can see the top performance of your images or videos whichever you are uploading. And for forum also is there, shortlist also there, contribution block also is there. Like this there are more number of things available in shutterstock.com. If you have any doubt, kindly comment me in the below so that I can easily help you, and I will easily clear your doubts. This is the one of the best website to earn a lot of money through this Shutterstock, and most of the people have just uploading your videos in Facebook and Instagram and blah blah all the website, but there is no use while uploading your photos or videos there. Facebook doesn't give any money for uploading your images, and likewise Instagram also will not give any money while uploading your images. Best website to earn a money by just uploading your images is Shutterstock. This is one of the international guaranteed website that you can earn a lot. My kindly suggestion is you just create an account like how I instructed you, and you can earn a lot of money. And if you wish, kindly subscribe my channel so that it may helpful for me. If you kindly subscribe my channel and kindly share my channel to your friend, that will be helpful for me. Thank you, bye bye, take care.